Okay, so good afternoon everyone. So one topic na pag-uusapan pa rin natin ngayon is about trust analysis. So meron tayong given dito. Okay. So methods of joins pa rin ng ating gagawin. Okay. So meron tayong given na to. So as you see, meron na siyang resultant ng ating pagmo-moment. So ganun pa rin kunin natin ng mga force sa bawat member. So, start tayo kay joint A. So, unang gagawin uli is to draw the free body diagram of the joint. So, we have, this is the joint A. This is 4 kilonewton. Okay. So, this is AB. This is AG. Then, meron kang degree na 30. Okay. So, summation of forces X, or let's make summation of forces Y muna. So, summation of forces Y is equals to 0. All upwards are all positive. So, that is 4, which is positive dahil paangat, minus AG sine 30. So, I assume dito sa part na to na si AG ay papunta dito sa mismong joint A, kaya siya naging minus, is equals to 0. Okay? So, makukuha kong AG 8 kilonewton. And that is compression. So, kinocompress niya papunta dun kay joint A. So, this is our AG. Then, summation of forces X tayo. Summation of forces X is equals to 0. So, that is FAB. Okay, FAB. AB. So, ito AB. Minus 8, which is the value of your AG. Cosine 30 is equals to 0. So, makukuha mong FAB ay 6.9 kilonewton. And that is tension. So, away from the point. Okay? So, ang next natin ay joint G. So, draw mo ulit ang kanyang free body diagram. So, medyo inclined tong part na to. So, ito siya. Okay. So, this is your y-axis. This is your x-axis. So, ibahin ko lang ang kulay ng mga force. So, meron tayo dito kaninang AG, which is 8 kilonewton. Okay. Then, meron tayong loading dito na 3 kilonewton based sa question. Okay. Then, meron tayong GF. Because this is your point G. Okay, so assume uli. Then, we have, medyo naka-incline siya ng kaunti. So, that is GB. So, ito siya. GB. Ito yun. Okay. So, that is given as 60 degrees. Then, ito sa kabila, this is 30 degrees. Okay. So, check natin. Okay. So, after nyan, summation of moment forces uli. So that is summation of forces at y is equals to 0. So all inclined going to this direction are all positive. Okay? So that is FGB sine 30 sine 60 pala, sorry. 60 pala to. Sine 60 because summation of forces y tayo. So ito si y-axis mo and ito si x-axis mo. So that's why it's sine. Then minus 3 cos 30. Okay, so yung force na loading dun sa tanong. So ito 3 cosine of 30. So y ang ating hinahanap. Nandito siya sa part na to, that's why cosine siya. So ang makukuha natin na FGB is 3 kilonewton and that is compression. So compression siya ha. That is the value of your FGB. Then summation of forces X, we're all going to this direction, are all positive kasi naka-incline ng ating free body diagram. Okay? So the Fx is 8. Ito, 8. So positive siya. Minus 3 sine 30. Okay? Minus 3 cos 60 is equals to, or kulang ko pala, FGF pa pala. Minus FGF is equals to 0. So ito, si FGF ang ating hinahanap because summation of forces X. Sa X siya nakalagay. So if you compute that using the cycle shift solve, so that will give you FGF is equals to 5 kilonewton. And that is compression. So yan, kino-compress niya papunta kay joint G. Then at B tayo. Joint B. So at B, so draw natin yung free body diagram niya. Okay. So to draw that, so dito sa part na to ni B, to si B. So pag ganyan, and pag ganon. So free body diagram niya, so this is the point B. Okay. So this is your BC going to the C. This is 6.928. Okay. Then this is the 3 kilonewton. Doon nasa question. Okay. Then meron tayong 30 degree. Okay. So ito pa lang si 3 degree or si 3 galing siya kay GB. Okay, to correct. GB, ito yung 3 kilonewton because this is G, or this is B rather, and this is the point, sorry. This is B and this is G. So, na-compute natin kanina ay 3 kilonewton. Okay? Then, this is the FBF. Okay. Then, meron kang degree uli na 60 degrees. So, ito yung pinaka-point natin, ha? B. Okay. So, that, kasunod yan is to summation of forces X. Or forces Y muna tayo. Okay, where your upwards are all positive. Okay, so that is FBF sine of 60. FBF sine 60 minus 3 cosine 30 okay minus 6.928. Ay, kulang. Sakto na pala to. FBF sine 60 minus 3 cosine 30. So, ito yung ating equation, then equals to 0. So, if you solve that, that will give you FBF as 1.73 kilonewton, and that is tension. So, away from the point CBF kay B. Okay? So, this is our value. Then, last is the summation of forces X is equals to 0. Okay? We're all going to the right are all positive. So, that will give me FBC plus FBC is going to the right, so positive, plus 1.73. Okay, so that's the new value of your BF. 1.73 cosine 60. Because kay x-axis naman tayo. 60 degrees plus 3 cosine 30 minus 6.928 is equals to 0. Bakit negative si 6.928? Dahil papunta siya sa left. Then si 3 cosine 30. So ito siya. 3 cosine 30. Then we will get FBC is equals to 3.46 kilonewton, and that is tension. So that's our final answer. Final answer. Final answer. Final answer. Final answer. Final answer. So that's it. So I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep safe. Bye.